Hey everyone, welcome back to EduAIverse. Guess what's back and better than ever? DeepSeek R1 0528, the AI coder that's shaking up the world of programming. Today we're going deep. What new skills does it have, and why is it making waves with 35K views already? Let's find out. Segment 1. What's R1 0528 and why it matters? DeepSeek R1 0528 is the latest update to DeepSeek's R1 model. Think of it as the next-gen AI that codes more smartly, quickly, and accurately. On major coding benchmarks like SWE Bench and TAU Bench, R1 0528 has jumped ahead of earlier versions. For example, in TAU Bench coding tests, it scored around 64–72%, which is strong compared to other top models. Segment 2. How it learns smarter. Here's what makes it special. Reinforcement learning, RL. DeepSeek was trained using RL, which means it learned coding by practicing and improving with feedback. Better coding intelligence. It can understand more programming languages and tools than before. More reliable reasoning. It reasons through challenges step by step, though some improvements in clarity are still being made. Segment 3. Why it's a big deal. So why are people excited? On R Singularity, users say R1 0528 is now competing with models like Claude and Gemini, but often comes at a lower cost. Users mention it has low context. While using 30% fewer reasoning tokens, it's also more efficient. This means it delivers strong performance efficiently, which is a major win. Wrap up. What this means for you. Bottom line, DeepSeek R1 0528 marks the start of a new era in AI coding. It's smart, lean, and serious about efficiency. Curious how well it can help you build real apps? Stick around, we'll test it hands-on very soon. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe to EduAIverse, and tap the bell so you don't miss our next demo. Drop a comment if you have questions or want us to test R1 0528 on a specific coding challenge.